哇！怡保好塞車咧。Hi, good morning. The time now is 7:30, I think, and I came here to take a look at the Mirror Lake or Tasik Cermin, as they label it in the Google map. Actually, I came here yesterday already to check out the place, but today we're gonna take some morning shot. Yesterday it was very windy, and today it seems like there's no wind today, so I hope we can get some nice mirror shot in this Tasik Cermin in Ipoh. So this place is not well known. There's no proper access, no proper road, no signage, just information from the internet in the Google map. So we are almost there. We have to cross a tunnel, a short tunnel, maybe 50 meters. After you reach the tunnel, when you come out at the end of the tunnel, then you'll be greeted by a beautiful lake. Oh, here it is. Here is the tunnel. It looks a bit scary, but no, it's just a short one, and you can see the end of the tunnel easily, so no fear. Okay, here we go into the tunnel. Wait, I think I saw some animal. I'm not sure what that is. So here we are at the Tasik Cermin. Ta-da! So the water is pretty calm, just a very slight wind, and I think I'm gonna set a tripod over here so we can get this bridge and the mountain over here. Alright, let's go. Look at this. Wow, another plastic bottle. So there are few reviews in Google Map, people saying that this place should be developed, the road should be better, there should be more signage, there should be more parking. I don't think so. I don't agree. You see, when people start coming in to this beautiful nature place, they leave all their trash over here. I rather have this place undeveloped, hard to access, no parking, no public transport, no whatsoever. You know, maybe you need to hike 1 or 2 hours to get here, whatever. Just make it difficult for the common people to come here and leave their trash. No, this place should not be developed. It should be kept as pristine as this, and not to have any man-made materials like plastic bottles all over the place. Now that we are done here, I think it's time for us to look for breakfast. This is my 35 ringgit room. I get 2 beds, 2 fan, a clothing rack, and I have a small table. All this for 35 ringgit. So probably the worst chap fan I ever had. Oh, mushroom. So mushroom. Probably I want to look for something nice to drink. Okay, so today I want to take a shot of the Tibetan temple in Ipoh, which is somewhere here at the background, and we got a very annoying sound from here. I think it's some sort of water pump, but it sounds like a zombie apocalypse. I'm glad that I came here in the daytime and not at night. If not, I'll be scared to death. Okay, so I'll set up my drone, and I think we'll take a shot. Today is a bit cloudy. We got some colors, but it's my last day in Ipoh, so let's get some shots. So the temple is closed right now. We can't do anything. I think it's only open at 9 o'clock. So what I'm gonna do now is head back to the Mirror Lake Tasik Cermin, because I think I lost my drone gimbal cover over there. So let's see if we can get it back. I think this is the most beautiful Pizza Hut and KFC signboard. So So we are having tan chi. I think it's called tan chi. Egg, the egg on bread thing in San Yun Long, the coffee shop in Old Town. So yay, tan chi for breakfast. Next stop, Cameron Highland.